I'm going to show you this beautiful group of fabrics. It is just lovely and purposeful for spring. We're in one of the worst storms of the century. But hey, what do? We look to spring. Spring is perfect. It's almost here. And this is probably the last storm of the year. For us in Dallas anyway, it's our last storm. But anyway, let's start off with this black. It's a twill, if you can see. It's a texture. It's beautiful fabric. It's 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. Just really beautiful. Now, all of these fabrics today are $19.99. I paired it with a milk linen. This is 100% linen, and it's a milk color. There's a lot of us who just don't like to wear white, and there's a lot of milk backgrounds, and you can see, I'll show you. And milk is really just a great color. It's fresh, and it really does, I think it fills in holes a little bit better than white. It's just a difference. But anyway, 100% linen, it's woven, and it's a milk color. Again, $19.99, you guys. But look at this. You talk about making a jacket. Isn't that beautiful? This is a cotton poly. It's a stretch woven. For the jacket, $8.26. It's all the new colors for spring. You've got your wine rose and your fox pink and a little milk back there, a little black. It's just beautiful. Look at all these together. Isn't that a pretty combination? I just love it. Cotton poly, stretch woven. One Direction, again, $19.99. This is 100% cotton. It goes into these blues that are so popular right now. You can see a different color blues in there. This is 100% cotton. It is a stretch woven, One Direction. You could do pants, you could do anything out of this, but I thought, wouldn't that be pretty to pair that with pants? It's that blue color is right in there. This is 100% cotton. It's a woven, and really lightweight, beautiful for that Eileen Fisher's pants. Just really pretty, especially you combine it with any of these. Just really pretty. This next one is a denim. This is the cover of 826 that I did, the Fendi's jacket. I washed it a couple times in Coca-Cola just to lighten it, but it's beautiful. 100% cotton, beautiful denim, striped denim. You could do pants, obviously, out of it. You could do both top and bottom. It would be great. But you can see how pretty this linen, this milk linen goes with that. Just a really pretty combination of colors. And again, all $19.99. So the goal, you guys know it, is to happy spring sewing. Get out of this cold from Silhouette Patterns.